Welcome to our guide for integrating Xobin with Keka HR. This video will walk you through the process of setting up and testing Xobin assessments inside the Keka HR portal. Let's get started. First, we need to generate the API key. To do that, log in to Xobin dashboard, navigate to the left menu, and click Settings. On the Settings page, click the Integrations tab. Then scroll down the list of integrations, locate Keka HR, and click the drop-down arrow, and then click Generate API Key. The API key is generated and displayed. Click on Copy next to the key. Now let's install the Xobin integration in Keka. Go to Keka Dashboard and click on Apps from the left menu. Here you will get all the apps. Search for Xobin. Click on it, and Keka Marketplace page for Xobin loads. Click on Install. You get Xobin Assessments access details. Click Continue. On the Fill Installation Details screen, switch back to the Xobin Settings tab and copy the API key again. Then switch back to Keka and paste the API key into the API key field. Finally, click on Submit and Install. The Xobin Assessments app is successfully installed in Keka. Now, let's send the assessment to a candidate. Simply navigate to the Keka menu, hover over Hire, and click My Candidates. The candidates list loads. Then click on the candidate Elastic Cache Updated. On the candidate's profile, click the Schedule button. A Send Assessment pop-up appears. Then select Xobin Assessments as the assessment platform. Then select Junior Level Roles Psychometric Assessment from the assessment drop-down. After that, click Send. A success notification confirms the assessment was sent. Finally, let's complete and review the assessment. Open a new tab, navigate to Gmail, and find and open the Invite from Xobin Developer Sandbox. Email. Click on Start Assessment in the email and then click Go to Assessment on the landing page. On the instructions page, check the agreement box and click Start Assessment. The assessment begins. The candidate answers the first two multiple-choice questions in the Soft Skills Competency section and then click on Submit section. In a pop-up, a confirmation screen shows that the assessment has been completed, then returns to the Keka candidate profile, click on the Feedback tab, and scroll to the Junior Level Roles Psychometric Assessment, which now shows Completed with a View Report link. Then click on View Report. The detailed Xobin assessment report, including scores and analysis, loads on the screen. With this, you've successfully set up, tested, and viewed results for Xobin assessments within Keka HR.